Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use OBS to record your screen or even your camera. So the first thing you're gonna do is gonna go to your OBS and we're gonna set up, let's say, we're gonna set up where all those videos are gonna end up. So we're gonna go to File, Settings, and in the, let's say, in the output, we are going to go to recording path and we're just gonna go to browse and then we're gonna set up our output. So I can't because I'm recording with OBS, but basically you're just gonna go to recording path, browse, and you're gonna set your folder where all those videos you're gonna record are gonna put in. So how do we record our display just like this? What we're gonna do, it's actually very simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a plus right here, and then you're gonna go to display capture, click on that and just click on your OK, and that's it. Basically you're gonna click on OK and it's all gonna be automatic. It's gonna have already the best settings, and that's actually one of the best things in OBS. Like, it's very simple. So I'm gonna just basically remove it right now because I already have one. And if you want the webcam or the camera, you're just gonna click on plus, you're gonna click on a media source and just click on OK. So it's gonna give you the camera and everything like so, which is very extremely simple. And if you want to change all your recording settings or anything like that, you're just gonna go to show settings folder, or maybe even it's much easier, go to just settings again and just go to output. If you're gonna stream, you have video bitrate, audio bitrate, encoder, preset. If you're gonna record, you can change your recording quality, recording format, video encoder, audio encoder. You have very much stuff you can just change and you can just play with. So that's it for today's video. I hope I helped you and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.